Madam, I am Jacqueline Espresion, Filipino, 33 years old. My religion is a Roman Catholic, married, I have one child, and my husband working as a driver. I have 3 brothers and I'm the third in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Jacqueline. How are you right now?
I'm fine, thank you, Sir Madam.
Okay, what are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
Since I'm ex-abroad, I have the own idea to how to cook the Chinese food. I am hardworking and patient and are responsible.
Okay, so do you know how to cook basic Chinese dishes?
Yes, sir, Madam. Like steamed fish, steamed chicken, and fried vegetable.
Can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
I will love them as my own child and play with them, foods and vitamins.
So what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and I will promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please do hire me because I need this job for my family. I will promise I finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Jacqueline, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.